Hi everybody, how you doing? I'm Mark from Viceroy Paracord, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of these snake knot Viceroy Paracord bracelets. Right, today I'm using yellow and purple, 6 feet of cord each. I've joined them together, done a simple cow stitch at the bottom, and I've gone down through the buckle at the top. And you also need 2 fids for the end. Now, if you haven't got any fids, you can use good old needle nose pliers or hemostats or something like that, because it does get very tight at the bottom. But anyway, what we do is we get the yellow cord and lay it on top like that. Pull all that yellow out of the way. Get the purple cord, lay it on top, put it all out of the way like that. Then what you do, you get your yellow cord and poke it through this hole up here at the top. Put it all through. And the purple cord does exactly the same. It curls around itself and goes through the top like that. Now what we do, pull the underneath the buckle to keep this nice and tight. I'm holding it down with my thumb and forefinger, and then all I'm doing is tightening everything up. Like that. Right, next thing we do, whoops, move the jig there. You get your purple cord and poke it down through the middle. Whoops, missed. Like that. And the yellow cord does the same. Goes down through the middle. Like that. And then here's the important part. You give it a twist. You can go clockwise, anti-clockwise, doesn't matter. But you give the cords a twist underneath so that the yellow comes out on the yellow side, the purple comes out the purple side, like that. And then all you do is pull it tight and cinch it up to the top of the buckle like that. And you do it again. Purple goes through the middle. Yellow goes through the middle. You give it a twist underneath, so both cords are coming out on the colour side. Cinch it up, give it a tug, push it up to the buckle, give it a tug, and there you go. And you just keep going all the way down. Try and be consistent. Until you get near the bottom. Now I'm right near the bottom, as you can see. And this is where you need the fid, because you can see, it does get very tight at the bottom, but it's exactly the same thing. Purple goes through the hole. Where's my yellow? Yellow goes through the middle like this. Oh. Try not to jiggle your tripod. Like that. Pull them tight. I think I might be able to just get one more in there. Give it a twist. There'll be a squeeze, but I think I can get one more in. Right, that is your Snake Knot Viceroy Paracord Bracelet. It comes out flatter than a normal snake knot, which is quite good. And I'm not too sure about the ends, how I finished it off. Let me know what you think in the comments. Now, I saw a Mr. Coop video and he just finished off with a cobra weave at the end, which I don't know, it spoiled the pattern, I think. I poked it through the middle, but I didn't twist the cords at the end, I just poked them through, and as you can see I made a bit of a hash of the melting, but never mind. And the other thing I will do next time is when I don't know if you can see, when I join two bits of paracord together, I normally join the end in the middle of the core of the bracelet. Well, next time, if I was going to sell these, next time I will put the join right up close to the end. I might even hide it under here, like that. But yeah, tell me what you think. Should you do a cobra weave or something at the end, or do this? So, well, do this but tidier. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, YouTube would like you to watch this video up there. I would like you to watch this playlist here. Keep yourself safe, everyone. Wash your hands. And I will see you in the next one.